Alright, hello everyone. I want to make a quick disclaimer that I have just started learning Flutter and I want to share with you a problem that I had been facing for around a day. Very frustrating. Let me just bring up the problem right now, but basically I had this kind of the single display app showing over here with a nice teal background. But I wanted to change it. I have all my code here. As you can see, there's the background that is teal. Here's all my code. Look at that. Boom. All of this code. And to now add in and change things, I wasn't able to add in a background image. So I did some research and I eventually found the solution. And this is the quick solution. So you change the safe area or whatever code you've placed there. You write container, boom, done, check, and then you paste this line of code. Boom, look at that, beautiful. And you add your background image name over here. Just the quick, I added it right here into a directory I made, which is images. You add your image, go to your pubspec YAML file, go into assets, add the image title, and yeah, go back to your main dot, and this is the line of code that you can see over here that I used. Alright, and bam, check this out. If we hit the hot reload button and we pull the simulation back up, oh, look at that, beautiful. Got this nice background that I've just implemented without any of my code here being affected. I'll leave a link in the description where I found the solution, and I'll also leave and paste this code in for you. Like I said, I am new to programming. I don't exactly know what your line of code is and what your home is and what you've imported. But this was a fix for me, and I really hope someone would post something like this on YouTube for someone like me starting out. So if you're making like a single display application, this is definitely the video for you. Also, I'll be continuing learning my courses, and I'll be progressing in my knowledge. So if you want and you had a problem and this isn't the fix for you, then please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if this video did help you, please hit a like. It would be appreciated. Thank you very much and have a good day.